You know what I'm talking about?
No.
Then grab these like this and go up and down.
Oh.
Every one of them. See if you can wiggle them. See if any of them's got play. Oh, that one's tight. That's what they should all feel like. Yep, tight. It'd be real noticeable. Tight. Tight.
That one doesn't even move at all.
Yeah, because it's probably the mouse probably is. Tight. That one
Well.
moves. All right, check the last two.
Ah, you're right. Just breaking my fucking.
Here, do that one though again. The one you just did the last. Move your fingers so you can see how much. Perfect. Okay. Check those last. There we go. We'll slide and bust your neck.
Okay, only one on that side.
Okay. Check that side. The other side should all be tight.
Including liver problems. Your doctor will do blood tests before and during treatment. Stop the opioid and call your doctor.